In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your Salesforce reports by using the Mass Delete feature on Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. Whether you're looking to tidy up your database or simply want to clear out obsolete reports, this guide will provide a clear path to doing just that. Follow along carefully, and soon you'll have a cleaner and more organized Salesforce experience. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage by visiting Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. Once there, sign in using your credentials if you haven't already. Now, once you're on the homepage, locate the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select the Open Advanced Setup option. This will take you to a more comprehensive configuration interface where you can manage various aspects of Salesforce. Next, in the search bar at the top of this setup page, type in Mass Delete Reports. This search will help you filter the numerous settings options to find the one specifically for mass deletion. From the results, click on the link that says Mass Delete Records. You will then see another page with different options for mass deletion. Here, you're going to select Mass Delete Reports to proceed. Once you're on the Mass Delete Reports page, you'll need to specify which reports you want to delete. There will be options to input details about the reports you're interested in removing. You'll have fields to narrow your selection by entering specific criteria. For instance, you can enter a report name in the input box, or start with selecting specific terms that identify the reports. Make sure to input the relevant information carefully to avoid any accidental deletions of important data. After entering the necessary information, hit the search button. Salesforce will then pull up a list of reports matching your input criteria. At this point, you'll have the option to select all the reports displayed by simply clicking a checkbox next to them. If you only want to delete specific reports, make sure to check only those you wish to remove. Once you're confident with your selection, glance over the list again to ensure you're deleting the correct reports. This step is crucial as it prevents unwanted data loss. When you're ready to proceed, find the Delete button, often located at the bottom of the page, and click it. Confirm your decision when prompted. By following these steps, you should now have successfully utilized the Mass Delete feature in Salesforce to manage and clean up your reports. Regularly performing this task can help keep your Salesforce environment streamlined and efficient, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters for your business. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more Salesforce tips and tricks.